I found a problem, see? The problem is the keycap, see? The keycap WSD has worn off, see? You see the edge is not even visible now. It is the light source is visible, see? So how you know it? See? I am FPS gamer, see? That's why it worn off, see? If you want to buy this, then you gotta replace the keycaps after a few months, see? And I've only used this for 3 months, see? So thank you all for watching. Famous Cyber signing out, see? Click subscribe if you haven't, click like, go to the end of my video and click the playlist. In the playlist there are all my videos all at the corner at the right side. So thank you all for watching.